Hi, this is Whitney Elmore from the University of Florida Pasco County Extension Office. It's really important to keep all of your gardening and pruning tools very clean and sharp as much as possible, because number one, you could hurt yourself if these aren't clean and sharp, and it's also not good for your plants at the same time so that you're getting a nice clean cut. One of the more important reasons though to keep these tools clean is to prevent the spread of disease between your plants. You should actually be cleaning all of your pruning equipment from one plant to the next to make sure you're not spreading anything that might make your plant sick. One of the easiest things to do with any of your pruning equipment is to take one of these sanitizing wipes and just simply wipe the surface, the cutting surface of your tools. Very easy, just like this. It will help to clean them, but it also helps to get any of the bacteria and viruses off that might contaminate your plants. Even the big loppers that we're all used to using on some of our palm trees especially can be cleaned in this regard. You can also simply take rubbing alcohol and apply it to the surface and allow that to dry. Very quick and very easy. I don't suggest using bleach. While you can do that to disinfect, it actually is pretty hard on the metals on your pruning equipment over time. So go with some of the sanitizing wipes, alcohol, or even some of the sprays or hand sanitizer to keep your tools nice, clean, and ready for the next plant.